1 Minute Czech Lesson 6.
I'm Jitka.
And I'm Mark. You're listening to 1 Minute Czech, the course in which we're teaching you Czech 1 minute at a time. In each lesson of this series, we spend just a couple of minutes learning Czech, but hopefully you can find lots of opportunities to practice your new words and phrases in between lessons.
It's time to begin today's lesson. The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Today we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves. To say my name is, you say
Jmenuji se.
I would say, for example, jmenuji se Mark.
And I would say jmenuji se Jitka.
You try saying this and put your own name at the end of the phrase.
Jmenuji se.
Try this again.
Jmenuji se.
The sound at the beginning of this phrase is a little tricky. Listen again.
Jmenuji se.
Okay, if you can say my name is, then it's also important to be able to ask what is your name. In Czech, there are two ways to say this. If you're talking to a younger person or a child, you would say
Jak se jmenuješ?
Let's listen to that slowly and try it again after Jitka.
Jak se jmenuješ?
One more time at normal speed.
Jak se jmenuješ?
And if you're talking to an adult that you don't know, you would say
Jak se jmenujete?
Let's slow this down.
Jak se jmenujete?
Try it one more time after Jitka.
Jak se jmenujete?
Okay, let's run through today's phrases again.
Jmenuji se. Jak se jmenuješ? Jak se jmenujete? Time's up.
So now you can introduce yourself and ask other people for their names. Okay, that's all for this episode.
Děkuji a nashledanou.
You have been listening to a production of the Copy Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.